This is what I ate in Bangkok, part 1. And for this episode, guys, oh my gosh, I finally had the courage to eat insects here at Jodd Fair's night market. This was my experience. Hey guys, so I finally gave in to temptation and I'm really curious. That's why I'm going to buy 100 baht worth of insects. As you can see right there. So let's just wait for our turn. One of each. But no. Kapun ka. Okay, so let's try it out. Oh my gosh. Just pick like that. Oh my gosh, this is surprisingly good. This one right here, this is good. This one. This one is so good. This one about doesn't have any taste. Okay. Let's try this. Ay, already yun. Go, Achi. How is it? Okay, Rap? Sir, what's your favorite so far? That one. We're the same. That's also what I like. The fat one.
Whatever this is. Ah, ah.
Anyway, so far so good. You guys, it's definitely a must try just for the experience here in Bangkok. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.